a lot of level land with it. It has a state maintained road that goes right along the edge of it. Joins a nice year-round stream. There is a little bit of timber on the property, so if you want to build you something off the trees, and maybe a cabin or some barns or something, it's there. There is power, electricity, and even a little bit of cell phone service. Not a lot, but you can get out on it, you know. That field is great. Look how big that thing is. It really is expansive. Not a lot of land, not a 100-acre piece of property or whatever, but a very powerful piece of property. Now this grassed area here, it says that it's in the 100-year floodplain, but I was talking to the seller, and of course he's had that piece of property for many, many, many years. And people around there, they have never seen water up on that field before. There's a big, huge field across the creek that it gets into, but they have never seen water there before. So is it accurate? I don't know, but the West Virginia floodplain map shows that that field is in the 100-year floodplain. It's located not too far from Glenville State University. So Glenville is a wonderful university. They have a great forestry program. They have always been known as a teacher's college. So a lot of teachers for the state of West Virginia, that's where they go, is that university. And they have a lot of other programs in there as well. But those are some of the things that they're well known for. Surveying, that's a big surveying school there for surveyors. As you can see, it hasn't been timbered and got cut out of or anything recently. So there's lots of nice forest there. Across the creek, and you can't see it during the summertime, but you can see that over in the wintertime. Look at the size of this farm over here. That belongs to Waco Oil and Gas, which they have a beautiful farm over there. And of course, give us a call after you watch this video. This won't last long. 304-377-3758, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.